Mangoes are the undisputed kings of summer fruit, and for good reason. Sweet, juicy, and bursting with tropical vibes, they level up almost any recipe. Whether you're a kitchen newbie or a Gordon Ramsay wannabe, mangoes are incredibly versatile. First up, mango smoothies. The simplest recipe? Take a ripe mango, a cup of Greek yogurt, a splash of orange juice, and some ice cubes. Blend. Done. A nutrient-packed, refreshing drink in under 5 minutes. Zero fuss, pure dopamine. Pro tip, add a quarter teaspoon of cardamom to your smoothie. It's a spice that transforms the typical into, wait, what is this magic? Trust me, your taste buds will thank you later. But smoothies only scratch the surface. Let's talk salsa. Dice mangoes, red onion, jalapenos, cilantro, and squeeze lime juice on top. Toss it together. Pair it with tortilla chips or top tacos. Suddenly, you're a culinary genius. Here's a pain point. Mangoes can be messy to cut. Pro tip, slice on either side of the seed, then score the halves in a crisscross pattern and scoop the cubes out. No mess, no hassle, just brilliance. Mango lassis. Anyone? Blend ripe mangoes, yogurt, sugar, and a pinch of cardamom. It's the Indian version of a milkshake, but healthier, and every sip feels like you're on vacation in Mumbai. Perfect for heat waves. Now, ever heard of mango sorbet? Puree mangoes, sugar, and lemon juice, then freeze. You don't need a fancy ice cream maker. Just stirring every 30 minutes for 3 hours works fine. It's summer in every spoonful. Mango chutney is another gem. Sweet and tangy, it pairs beautifully with grilled meats or even cheeses. Simmer mango chunks with sugar, vinegar, ginger, and chili. It's the star of every barbecue spread. For the salad lovers, mango arugula salad is criminally underrated. Toss mango slices, arugula, feta, and pecans with a lemon vinaigrette. Sweet meets tangy meets crunchy. It's basically a party in your mouth. Ever tried mango pancakes? Add mango puree to your pancake batter, or use diced mango for topping. It's breakfast, but tropical. Pairs perfectly with a lazy Sunday morning and strong coffee. Here's a bold move, mango margaritas. Blend mangoes, tequila, lime juice, and a touch of triple sec. Salt the rim of your glass and toast to summer. Instant happiness in a cup. Finally, grilled mangoes. Yes, grilled. Slice a mango, brush with honey, and grill for a few minutes. The caramelization changes everything. Serve it with ice cream or just eat as is. Insane flavor upgrade. So there you have it, the Mango Manifesto. A dozen ways to elevate your summer with minimal effort. And if you don't have mango in your kitchen right now, you might be doing summer all wrong.